I'm sailing right now. I am supposed to be at work. It's about 4 knots outside. Kicking. Well, that's kind of pathetic. My telltale is the tell-all of just how little... Oh, there it goes. Wind seems to pick up around here when I'm right in front of... Yeah, that's the centerboard. No calls for alarm. Always seems to pick up right about... right between the Charles River Park and MIT for some reason. I don't know if it has something to do with the buildings over here or what, but once I get out of that doldrum over this direction, it always seems to pick up in this little sweet spot over here. That's been true even for races. So this is actually a spot right over here. You can see the MIT boathouse, MIT kids practice. So sometimes you can go out when it's actually good conditions. You can go sail with them. So this is the tour of the Charles River Park. There's Sit-Go sign. I'm just flying the mainsail. You can see number 48. Oh, looks like we're picking up. That's about it's about 5 knots at the most. We're on the Charles River. I say we like I'm with somebody, but oh, there we go. So that's the boathouse. And I am on a port tack over here. There's usually a wind shift right about here. You can see though it's pretty calm outside. The water is essentially like glass, but it looks like today the marine forecast. Yeah, it's the centerboard noise. Sounds creepier than it is. I'm using a Mercury, which is just a little drop centerboard. So nothing crazy today. See, the telltale is letting me know there's at least a little bit of breeze out today. It looks like there's only other CPI people out. I don't see any MIT kids out. But it's pretty early on the weekday. Like I said, I'm supposed to be at work. But I'm wearing my dorky glasses because I'm supposed to be in my lab right now. It looks like there's going to be a duck boat crossing soon. I hear the little duck boat noise, but there's Fenway off in the distance. But I'm about to tack, and I don't think I can do that multitasking with my hands crossed using other phone. But anyway, here's some of the Boston skyline. So, day in the life of procrastination.